Hi everyone, so this video is just for the people who want to grow their online business or online presence or their online journey, whether it's a business, whether it's a coaching, or they are vlogging, or whatever this is, like the business that are online exist. So why I'm recording this video? First of all, I'm recording these videos because I am facing these challenges, okay, for the past 3 years. Like when I recorded my first video, I have a lot of fears in my mind, and then I started overcoming these day by day. And today I want to share all of these fears and the problems that a lot of people face like me, so that you will not facing these challenges, and I will be showing how to overcome these challenges. So these are the slides that I made using AI. What I did, I just record my talking in ChatGPT, like I'm speaking these things. I speak it to ChatGPT and I ask her to modify the whole text I have given you to a presentable slides. So when they make a whole it give me the raw data into a slide shape, then I put it in another online platform for making free slides, and there's boom, that's make the whole slides. So now I will be presenting you what are the challenges that I faced and the fears. So let's get started. The first one is why my reels are ugly. So yes, in the beginning or in the intermediate level, if suppose you are making content on digital marketing, okay, then you think if you see the in your field that have millions of views, these people have video editors with them, they have good cameras, but you don't have all these things, you have no confidence to make your first lead. So if your reel is ugly, you don't have to upset, because it does not like your first reel not to be the best, but you have to start. You don't move to perfect it, you just post it. And like I was listening a podcast of MrBeast, and then he asked that first of all you post a lot of content there, like for the 6 months, for the 5 months, and then what you do if you don't get views, then you talk about what are the mistakes that you have done that your videos are not getting views for the previous 6 months. So this is how you have to make the content, or you just have to start. The second thing is my videos are not good. Yes, in the beginning your videos are not going to be good or not going to be the best, because like I record this video, I have no caption, or I have no script, and I have nothing, I just talking. Or maybe some people say this is just recording. Yes, this is just recording, like nobody is going to watch this video. I know in the beginning there will be no person going to watch, but the video this is going to be watched by a lot of people in 5 years, 6 years. So you have to don't think about the short term goals, you have a big term. You, if you want to make something, you have to think bigger, and you have to give time, okay. The third thing is I'm not confident on camera. Yes, this is the same problem that I was facing for a lot of period, a lot of time. Like I'm recording this video, I have a fear what my friends are going to say, what my relatives are going to say, and what are the viewers will say, like how the bad the video is, how the bad my lighting is, how the bad camera is, okay. But you don't have to focus on these things, you just have to start posting, and then there will be no views. Like I can challenge you, this is the video, and today is date 15 of January and 2026. I know there will be 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, just these views, but I can tell you after 5 years or 10 years, yes, I'm making improvement in all of these things, so there will be a lot of people watching this video. I have watched the MrBeast videos, and the way I analyze the channels of how the people are growing. What I do, I go to the YouTube, their videos, and then I filter it from the oldest one, so I get motivation that how I will be going to make videos. So no one is going to follow you in the beginning. Now, good content is not a magic. Okay, you need skills to learn. Like I have talked about, like when I watched the MrBeast video, it was not good. He was posting gaming video in the beginning. So it does not matter, like you have to good at making your videos or making your content. You just have to start. So the good script, then how will you improve? Like good scripts, you have to write good scripts. Yes, I do. I also doing. When just my previous video on personal brand, I recorded it and then I posted it. I write the script, I learn how to speak, and then I publish this video. But this video is not going to like this type of video that I'm script. I do first script and then I learn the script and then I make the video. This is a long process, so I do these things but for the specific videos. Okay, then there are hooks. Yes, there are a lot of hooks. If you see MrBeast video, then there will be a first to 3 second hook. Okay, and they use a sort of, you can say that, algorithm, or the way they present the video is that if you are watching the whole video, at the end what they do, they hook you in the beginning again, and you will start watching from the start point. But you are not aware of that thing, because they design, they script, they make the video in this aspect that you are not going to notice that the video is again started, because they have a hook, they grab your attention. Copywriting, the same thing. In the beginning, you are not going to be a best copywriter. If you talk about great leaders, and they have first they do by themselves, then they hire people for their scripts, for their copywriting. And the fourth is framework. There are a lot of frameworks to go viral on social media, on Instagram, on YouTube, or making content. So these are the things that you can improve in your content or in your recordings, that will enhance your visibility. The body language, yes, I'm talking to camera, I have not good body language. Yes, I accept that, because I know that. The third is communication. Yes, if you are not good communicator, you cannot get leads, you cannot close sales, you cannot in a business, you cannot grow your business into a bigger level. So yes, it is that you must have to be good at communication. The fifth, or this is the sixth one, editing. You have to edit your, like I'm recording this video, I will not editing this. I am not able to edit this video, because I have to make a lot of videos, a lot of content, I have to do clients work, so I don't have time to edit the whole video. And I have not a bit long or a bit big budget to invest in my videos, so that they will be edited and then I will be going to post them. I have not a lot of budget. So you have to keep these things in mind. Yesterday I got email. Its title was YouTube growth proposal. It was from, I don't know where the person lives or whatever he is, but they asked me that we will be doing your SEO or YouTube SEO, your thumbnails, designing your thumbnails, your titles, your view count will be increased. I asked them, yes, I appreciate your effort, you are reaching me out, but still today I am not in the position to invest in YouTube or invest in my content. So although I am doing SEO for a lot of pupils, okay, for my clients, but I have no time to do SEO or thumbnails, like I pay a bit more times and hours in designing my thumbnails, because I have a lot of work to do. And then, but I don't want to stop my content. I want to make a lot of content. So backgrounds, like if you see my background, this is not good as a lot of YouTubers have, but I have no concern with that. Lighting, I have tried my best. Like if you can see that there is a light, there is a small light, I have tried my best, but still there is lag. So I will be improving day by day, but I want to make content more and more. And this video is maybe just a recording, but I want to improve my communication skills, and I'm recording this video. I want to improve my slide skill. If you know, yesterday it was a seminar of Iman Gadzhi. Probably you may know or not, but in the first day they have a 5-day seminar. It will be a live, it goes alive live on YouTube, on Facebook, on Insta. And what I assume that in the first day their YouTube is lacking, like they have they done a lot of tests, but still their YouTube creates problem while live. So they have a lot of team, they have a big team, they have good cameras, they have everything is good, but still there is lag. And they, in the second day, they improve this thing. Like then in the second day I observe their camera is not lacking, their internet is not lacking, their live streaming is very good in the second day. In the third day they will improve more. So yes, you have to improve day by day. But I was talking about that I was recording this video, and maybe it's just a recording, but I don't want to waste this recording to elsewhere. Like I just record the video, or it will be on my gallery. I don't want to do that. I will be going to publish it. Maybe if I have a fear, I will not publish it today, but maybe in 2 days, in 3 days I will do that. Yesterday I saw my video of it was about it has a thumbnail of an unusual talk or something like that. I've recorded this video as a trial to improve my communication or my recording ability, and I uploaded in YouTube. And after today, like I recorded in a month ago in 2025, but when I see today, I was very happy to see my own video. So these are the things. And now let's move to the next one. Yes, fail first and then win later. If you want to win today, you are not going to win. If you talk about MrBeast have failed 5 years. Like he was recording his videos for 5 years until he was noticed by someone, or they get an attention on the internet. Okay, so I see a lot of his oldest video. I have already mentioned that I see the old videos because I get inspired by them. Like they at the beginning of their how they are working. So it is my beginning, so I'm working in this way. The second, Ronaldo, everyone knows, famous personality in the world. Okay, Ronaldo, but he has not born as a footballer when he was born. He has even he was not able to buy his shoes. Okay, but he still work hard, and then he gained this position. The patience, GaryVee. If you talk about GaryVee, you may know heard about GaryVee. Then you can imagine how patient he has already. He has always talking about social media, start your business, grow your TikTok, record your video, whatever it is, record just recordings. Yes, I learned a lot from him, and this is the result that I am making the video. Dan Henry, yes, he sell pizza for 7 years. Okay, and now he earns he earns 40 millions plus in through just Instagram or internet marketing. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind that no one is born rich or no one is born perfect. You have to start, you have to do mistakes, you have to be failed to win. Okay, in this slide I will be going to talk about start ugly, start now. Yes, your camera is not good, your microphone is not good, no problem, you just have to start. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent, and you have a courage. Okay, so this is the end for today, and we will meet in another video. What you have to do, you have to subscribe to my channel and like and comment and share and tell about your story. Is this video help you or not? If you leave a comment, it will be good for me. Okay, have a good day.